You guys, I just finished furnishing my brand new listing in Avalon. This is the Sweet Magnolia by Glenwood Homes. Glenwood Homes is no longer building in our area, so now is your opportunity to get one of these Sweet Magnolias all for yourself. And guess what? It can come fully furnished. If you want the furniture, we can negotiate that furniture all into your mortgage, so you don't have to have cash out of pocket to furnish this cutie. Look at the space. I love this kitchen. They added the backsplash in here, and they also added this incredible island with the granite countertop. Isn't that awesome? The other Magnolias don't have that island, or they didn't have the island when they were built brand new. It comes with all the appliances you see here, the refrigerator, the microwave, the stove, all that good stuff. This is practically new. It's only a few years old, and it is in such great condition. The owner of this home had to relocate to the Raleigh area, and so now this cutie is up for grabs just for you. Look how cute with all the blue. Again, you can purchase this home with all the furnishings you see here. If you'd like the accessories, that's great too. Whatever you want. This property is located in the back section of Avalon, so it's very close to the secondary gate off of Old Linen. So you're tucked away privately, but you can get out of the neighborhood super, super fast. So look, isn't this fantastic? I love it. The TVs hanging on the wall, they come with the home too. There are a couple of TVs in here. Let's take a look at this large pantry. Isn't this a great size pantry? It does have a one-car garage through that door. That garage is still packed with my accessories for furnishing the home, so we are not going to peek in there. I'll show you that later when I get it cleaned out. You walk down the hallway and you've got this luxury vinyl plank floor all throughout the hallway and in the living spaces. You have a secondary bath here on the left, and you enter into your primary suite here. Isn't this so cute? It is big enough for a queen size bed and 2 chairs. And honestly, I think you could put a king in. You definitely could put a king in here with 2 nightstands. But I decided to put this queen in here so I could put these 2 chairs just to show how big this room is. You probably could fit 2 smaller chairs in here with a king size bed too. But look how wide and deep this bedroom is. Isn't it just amazing? And look, let's take a look out into this backyard. Look, you've got this incredible backyard with all the trees on the back property line. Let's take a look at the bathroom. You've got the walk-in shower with the frameless shower door. Look how cute. Love it so much. Then through here, you have a great size closet. Isn't that a fantastic size? So isn't it just adorable? Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so back through here, let's go take a look at the other bedrooms. Isn't it cute? I love this furniture so much. It's so sweet. Cute, and this room has got a great size closet too. And again, this home can come fully furnished. You definitely get the TVs if you want them. We can take them out if not. But if you like the furniture and you want to roll all of that into your loan, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, in here, I just staged this as a little seating area, but this could be an office or another bedroom. It's a great size as well. No problem. Through here, you've got another good size closet for the secondary bedroom. And this room has a TV mounted too. So isn't it great? I love it. Okay, back in here, let's check out this closet outside the bedrooms. Good size coat closet there. Over here, this is where you could put all your linens. And in here, you have a nice size laundry room with a door to the backyard. It is raining today. It's a little bit gloomy. I'm not gonna open this door, but look how pretty the backyard is. And your neighbors, they have fantastic backyards too. I'll get a better look at that backyard once it stops raining. And then up here, let's take a closer look at the secondary bath. Isn't it awesome? Single sink vanity, and you've got your shower tub combination there. So I'm loving the way this turned out. I love the seller. He is the sweetest, and I cannot wait to get him moved officially to Raleigh and to start his new life there. So you guys, call me if you want to check out this awesome Magnolia in Avalon. Yes. I'm Jessica Wainwright, 910-518-JESS, 5377. Talk to you soon. Bye.